Here I have Woozoo globe fan with remote control. Here is the manual or instructions. Here is the size. Nice remote control. Need to pull out this plastic thing to activate it. And remote control can be nicely stored here behind. I have plugged it in, and let's review these buttons. So here is power button, and here from left to right we have here timer for 1, 2 and 4 hours, 1 hour long, 2 hours or 4 hours, or we can turn it off and then control it by power button. The sound or beep button is to control the sound, like without sound, or if you long press it will be with the beep, but it won't do that now. Need to position right button. Now is with the no button functioning, it's controlling the beeps. If I press it one more time, it will turn off beeping sound. I just need to find the right position like that. Now it's just doing without sound. And this fan arrows are for the power of the fan, which is really powerful on the highest level. Very strong. And here we have just breeze, just breathing, no high power fan. And here we have also the lights. If you will have to go to sleep and not to be bothered by light, we need to press this button and hold it for a little bit. But because it's hard to find that position, I have it also here on the remote control, and I can turn it off. Basically all functions are on the remote control as well. So here I have no lights, and if I press again it will be light. It's just a little tricky to find right position to do it by hand, and I will need to play with that. And the last function is oscillating left and right, up and down. This is for left and right, and we can also do it up and down, or both. So if both lights are on, it will go at the same time left and right, up and down, or we can control it turning off one by one, or both. Really cool fan. Everything, like I said earlier, is on the remote control. Every function that is on fan itself, it's also on remote control. We can do it either way. I like it. It is nice and functional. I recommend it. If you have any questions or comments, please ask. More than glad to answer them. Thank you for watching.